Mga salitang binitawan netong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam matapos nilang makuha 3 days ago ang kanilang pangatlong pagkatalo this Commissioner's Cup. Yan na matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kanina nga mga bulero, siguradong isa ka rin sa mga umantabay dito sa naganap na ika-25 na laban ng Spurs this regular season kontra sa New Orleans. Especially na matapos nilang maputol ang kanilang 18-game losing streak kalaban ng Lakers last week, marami nga ang umasa na magtutuloy-tuloy na nga yan para sa kanila.
Tonight we made shots, but overall I think the defense was pretty good. It's been pretty good, improving significantly, but offensively we still have a ways to go. But I thought that they competed well. It's tough to go up 20 against a team that's run by LeBron on that court.
Pero kanina, sa kabila nitong 17 points, 13 rebounds at 4 blocks na nakana ni Wemby sa loob ng 31 minutes, bigo pa rin ang Spurs na maituloy ang kanilang nasimulang panalo after silang matambakan ng Pelicans ng 36 points.
Definitely started with a run on their side, But I don't know. They've been shooting very well, and we haven't been shooting very well tonight. So we need to make that extra effort on defense. And I don't know if it was indeed a lack of energy. It's something easy to correct, and we need to do it right away.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, maliban dito sa malaking panalo na nakuha ng koponan ni Wemby last week kontra Lakers, sa linggong yan naging laman din ang usap-usapan mga bulero etong naganap na ikapitong laban ng Barangay kontra San Miguel. Especially na kahit wala si Fajardo on that game, nagawa pa rin ng Beermen na manalo sa nasabing tapatan. Kaya naman dahil dyan, matapos ang pagkatalo, di nga napigilan ni Coach Tim na ipakita ang kanyang pagkadismaya sa isang panayam.
The guys that finished the basketball game, but I couldn't be more disappointed in the way the first 3 quarters and the way our first group played. That first group was there not because of their names or who they are, but because they deserve it. They're supposed to be, and they're supposed to be earning it every night. Tonight we didn't earn it, and the second group came out and played so much better and played with life and intensity. And just a really disappointing performance overall, though. But we had a light schedule early in the conference, and we kind of walked our way through it, and we haven't picked up the level of our game when we come into the tougher opponents.